Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create an eye-catching thumbnail on CapCut. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you just have to install the CapCut application on your iPhone or Android device. So I've already done that. So to download CapCut, you can just go to the CapCut website or your iOS store or the Google Play Store on your Android device and just search for CapCut here, and then you just have to download this application. So I've already done that, so I'm just gonna open it, and here you are gonna be redirected to this page once you have opened the application. So yeah, you just have to click on new project. By the way, the steps are gonna be pretty similar on a laptop or computer device as well, and an Android device as well. So just click on new project, or you can just click on photo editor in the top left corner, and let me just download a gradient background here. Just download a gradient background here from here, for example. So let me just do that. So I've downloaded this background. I'm gonna open the photo editor and pick this background, and then I'm just gonna click on edit in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then I'm just gonna start editing this background to make it a eye-catching thumbnail. So I can add text here. I can select any text from here. So for example, I'm just gonna write test here. You can change the fonts, you can change styles, alignments, and everything else. And you can also add your photo, for example, like this here. So yeah guys, you can add it to your liking and make an eye-catching thumbnail on CapCut. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.